Was I too ambitious? Was 36 hours far too short? We're about to find out. And that's because I now have all the parts I need to get this bike running. Hopefully. We've got these. These are our carbon fiber wings from Pro Fiber. How freaking awesome are they gonna look? Now this is our set of diagnostic toggles, dongles, toggles, whatever you want to call them, dangles, whatever. First things first though, let's get these wings on, make the bike look a little bit prettier, and then it's D-Day because we have quite literally 4 hours left and I hope we can make it. Ta-da! How freaking awesome do they look? They just completely transform this bike. They actually make the bike go from just being like dull to being wicked looking. They look so cool. and they're perfectly even on both sides. I've measured them from that point to that point to that point to that point. So they look wicked. Damn, that looks good.
Next up, I'm going to have to download the software and let's try something we've never tried before, our own diagnostic. Okay, so we're all connected. We've got Guzzi Diag running on the computer. I never thought I'd see the day where I had a computer hooked up to a superbike in the garage. I mean, come on. That's not an everyday thing. Whether or not I actually get this done right, who knows? But so what I've done is I've connected it all up. This is our module here, our Lonelec module. It's hooked up with power to the battery, and then it's hooked up to the actual, the 3-pin reader at the back. Runs to the USB on the computer, and then I've opened Guzzi Diag, and I should just be able to click connect. Once I click connect, it says please switch on ignition, then press OK. So ignition on, press OK. So now this should read the information off the bike. Yes, it has. It's already read the ECU information. And then from here, what I want to do is go faults. And I'm pretty sure this should give me what I want. So I'll go read. Here we go. So here's all my existing faults. Now what I want to do is try and clear these. So stored faults, we've got P0501 too high, U1129 CAN bus, God knows what that is. That's not even English. U1140 no signal, and P1607, this is the main one, data file saved for safety invalid signal. If I go clear, oh no, it's not letting me clear this fault, the P1607, and then P1607 is the main one that relates to the throttle position sensor. So that was the main whole reason I did this and bought this module, was to try and clear that code. So I don't think this has worked. I think this is going to be a massive fail, but I'll keep reading and I'll look at a few more tutorials online and see if there's anything I can do to clear that code, because I'm pretty sure that's what I need to do to try and start the bike. It's about 10 PM at night, so I'm gonna have to wait till the morning to try and start this bike. Yeah, let's actually just see what it does with the ignition, whether or not I can do any more with it. No, see, there's nothing there. When I hit the ignition, nothing at all. Maybe it's because I've got this plugged in, but maybe not. Okay, so you won't believe this. I've actually just got it going. All I did is I cleared the codes, and then I just put the 0000 key in, and now watch. Build is finished! Oh my god. Oh my god, I've got it working. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, Guzzi Diag. Oh, I came out here, I've got to be honest, I came out here, it's 10 AM the next morning. I was up till 2 AM searching through forums, trying to figure out how do I fix this bike. And then all I had to do after I cleared the codes was put in the 0000 key, and it works. Oh my god. Isn't it funny how something so simple has stumped me for a while? I knew I had to clear the codes anyway, so that had to get done. We failed on 36 hours. Look, we're more like 40, 42 hours, but I don't care. That was just awesome. The bike runs. Let's start it up again. Thank you so much for watching this series. It's been short and sweet. I can't wait to get this bike on track. Now I can actually go ahead and book some track time as soon as possible, January if I can. We might even take it and get it dynoed as well, just to see how it goes. But yeah, like, subscribe, you know the drill. Oh, and there's a massive surprise coming in about 2 weeks, so make sure you tune into that one.